In today's video, I am going to teach you how to associate line items with a deal in Hubspot. Line items are the specific products or services that make up the value of a deal. When you associate line items with a deal, Hubspot can calculate totals more accurately, keep your sales records consistent, and help with forecasting and reporting. This is especially useful if your deal includes multiple products, different quantities, or pricing that needs to be tracked in a structured way. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Hubspot account and you are in the main navigation. From there, click CRM and then click Deals. This will bring you to your Deals area, where you can see your pipeline and find the record you want to update. Next, locate the deal you want to work on and click the deal name to open it. Once you are inside the deal record, you will see details about the deal, including associated contacts, companies, and other information. Now, look to the right-hand sidebar and scroll down until you find the card labeled Line Items. This section is where Hubspot lets you attach products from your product library directly to this deal. Take your time scrolling so you do not miss it, since the sidebar can contain several different cards. In the Line Items card, click Add, and then choose Select from Product Library. This option pulls from the products your team has already set up in Hubspot, which helps keep product names and pricing standardized. After the product library opens, find the product you want to attach and check the checkbox next to it. If you are adding more than one product, you can select multiple checkboxes before continuing. When you have selected the correct product or products, click Add, then finish by clicking Save. Saving is important because it confirms the association and applies the selected items to the deal. Once saved, you should see the line items listed in the Line Items card on the deal. At this point, the deal now has those products associated with it, and Hubspot can use them for deal totals and reporting. And that covers everything you need to know.